What's up, people? So I decided, and you all probably already noticed already, I had the 10W8s inside the doors. I want to test 10W8s with the horns and the tweeters. And for some of y'all that actually heard this build, y'all know that these doors sounded damn good. So what I've noticed with the 10W8s is that they're missing that body presence of the vocals. And that's where the horns can't play a good role at. So I added 4 Pride Diamond 8 V2s. And the horns are going to play along too, but it's going to play in a mid-high range. So these are going to play in that mid-range area. These are going to pick up probably like in the 3,000 range, so it can get that presence. So what y'all heard last season is going to be a lot better this season, especially with the sound. The sound is going to be probably 10 times better than what y'all heard before. And I'm going to run the 6 W8s directly at the bottom. So I have 6 W8s and I'll have 4 Diamond 8 V2s with 2 horns and 3 tweeters. So be expecting something loud. And I'm going to be having that on this, the JP 10-4, and I got the JP 234, and I'm going to be adding 2 more amps for my W8. And what I'm going to be getting, I'm probably going to be getting, honestly, probably 2 Stetson 3K 2-ohm models again. So I'm going to be getting the Stetsons again to run on the W8s. And I'm going to be running the Stetsons at 2 ohms. I'm going to get the 2-ohm model. So I like the Stetson amps from last time I had them. So I'm going to put those on each door on 6 W8s. And it's going to be parallel series. Each 3 is going to be parallel. Then the 3 is going to be series together. So that should be good. But these doors are going to sound damn good. As far as the build, hey, these are staying in here. And can't wait to get these things pumping out. But yeah, that's the update.